6-way vertical header. In this video, we will show you how to solder a 6-way vertical header onto the PCB. Using the instruction manual, identify the correct component that you need to solder. Identify the correct location on the PCB using the manual and the PCB markings to help. With this component, the orientation is important. The tall plastic side should be facing towards the rectangular marking on the PCB and the fader control here text. With this component, you should not bend the legs. Holding it in place, turn the board over, ensuring that the component is flat. If this is tricky, you can also use blue tack. Next, solder the legs to the solder pads on the board. Use the soldering video for more information if you need more help.